bowl of hot water. It could totally be hotter than this. I'm hoping it'll get the job done. And I'm squeezing the rag out really well so it's not soppy wet, but it's warm. And what I'm gonna do now is cover those glass eyes. Oh. And I'm heating them up. So now that should be enough. And if you want to zoom in, you can totally see. So there's a little bit of Paverpol on here, and you just take it and it loosens up. And you could do this a week later and it'll still be fine.
Oh, really? That long?
Yeah, yeah. It's just to heat it up a little bit. There, now you can see that eye. Well, this one's more gummed up, so this one will be a better. Let me move my chair out of the way. Get into focus. There we go.
Oh, look at that.
Perfect. Yay,
dirty.
Thank you. There. So see, now I'm just using this stick, and because I've softened it up.
It gets away easy.
Yeah.
Now, could I use something like acetone?
No.
No.
No. No. Hot water. Hot
water is good.
Just
everybody has hot water.
Yeah, exactly. Why add? Oh, there we go. Look at you.
Nice. Look at that. And that design is great for the eyes.
Okay.
Haha.
So that's how I clean the eyes. That's how I clean the eyes, and I wait until we're all done before I do it because it just gets more mucked up when we're those marbles were perfect.
Yes, they are perfect. They're gorgeous.
Oh.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.